This video is going to be about trying to get back to illustration as in an analog form. So I'm attempting to colour an ink drawing that I made, which was started off as this lovely pencil drawing of a witch blowing bubble gum with a little cat running. I made an ink version just using brush and ink, and this is a printed version of the inked version of the same size. When it comes to my kind of colouring pen and ink work, I'm so used to scanning it in and just slapping a bunch of colour with Photoshop, scanning in some textures and just messing around with stuff until I kind of go back and forth and I'm happy with it. But I thought it would be fun to try and go back to using watercolours, inks and things like that, and just to see how far I can get. Okay. The first thing I'm doing here is playing around with tonal values by printing out small thumbnails of the drawing and then shading with a soft pencil. It's a really useful way to figure out how to depict the lighting and the shade without distraction of colour. This is the point where I feel like I can now start introducing colour, still using the small thumbnails. Okay, so now I think I've got a pretty good idea of how I'm going to paint this. And so I'll just take my drawing down and then add some masking fluid to let me paint my background first. Once the masking fluid is dry, which doesn't take long, I can get on with painting the background. Now it's time to paint the main character. So I was pretty happy with the way that one turned out, but I'm thinking let's try another colourway, maybe less yellows and more purples. So I'd love to try that one out on a different copy of the drawing and see what happens. Here we are, we've got the two different versions from the pen and ink drawing that I made. Now both finished in watercolour. Do let me know in the comments which one you prefer.